Hey, how's it going? Justin Kennedy here with Atlona. Today we're talking about our new Velocity 2.0 release. We're super happy with this release. There's three main things that I want to talk to you about this release and what we've done with this. The first is that we've now consolidated our AMS asset management platform into Velocity, as well as we've added our new scheduling integration into Velocity. So of course, Velocity being the control platform, the IP control platform that it is, we now give you all three of those into a single application. And the second piece that I want to talk about is the scheduling piece. So as you see, we now offer a new scheduling touch panel. The scheduling panel will allow you to book your meeting directly from the outside of the room in an ad hoc fashion, as well as book a room from around a nearby area, also from the same panel. And all of that, again, is then done directly inside of the Velocity application. Very simple and very easy to do. The third item that I'd like to mention is that as part of the change with Velocity is we've really kind of made the process to deploy the systems very efficient. There's now several ways to deploy, including a hardware gateway that can run up to 3, 10, or 20 rooms. We also have now a software gateway that will allow you to deploy starting at 20 rooms and up. And so this is our new Velocity 2.0 application that we're super happy with this year at ISE 2020. Thanks for joining us. For more information, check out atlona.com.